Now examples based on orthogonal property. So first example is integration minus 1 to n pnx whole square dx is equal to n plus 1. This is the easy only integration. Example number 8, prove that integration minus 1 to 1 x square minus 1 p dash n pn plus 1 dx is equal to 2n n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1 2n plus 3. Now the solution, we have first recurrence formula 2n plus 1 x pn is equal to n plus 1 pn plus 1 plus n pn minus 1. This is the first recurrence formula. This is the third. Next recurrence formula 1 minus x square p dash n is equal to n pn minus 1 minus x pn, and we have condition integration minus 1 to 1 pn is equal to 0 if m does not equal 0. This type we have three formulas here. Now left hand side of second, this is the integration between left hand side of this given equation. This is the integration x square minus 1 p dash n pn plus 1 dx is equal to, substitute the value of p dash n, substitute the value of this is the separation, and here substitute the value of this part from second equation 1 minus x square, side change, this is the with minus this n x pn multiplied by minus means x pn is here, so n x pn minus pn minus 1 p n plus 1 dx means from equation 2 substitute the value. Now solving, n is constant, integration minus 1 to 1 x pn plus 1 dx minus n integration pn minus 1 pn plus 1 dx is equal to pn plus 1 multiplied here, and we have these two integrations here. So last integration is 0 from third equation. pn m and n are not same here, not same, so we have only first term. Why we have first term? Here x is the coefficient, without x this is also equal to 0, so we have this term n integration minus 1 to 1 x pn plus 1 dx minus 0. Now integrate, this is again integrate this term, so substitute the value of x pn from first, so x pn from first means n plus 1 pn plus 1 plus n minus 1 upon 2n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1. Substitute the value. Now again constant here n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1 integration minus 1 to 1 pn plus 1 whole square dx is equal to n square 2n plus 1 integration minus 1 to 1 pn minus 1 pm minus 1, last term again equal to 0. So we have again first term here with this coefficient n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1 and integration of this part. We have, this is the formula from orthogonal property, this is 2 upon 2n plus 1, this is integration 2 upon in place of n plus 1 this, and after solving we have 10 to n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1 to n plus 3. This is the result, this is the right hand side. Now example number 9, integration 0 to 1 x square pn minus 1 pn plus 1 dx is equal to again this 2n to n plus 1, and here 3 factors 2n minus 1 2n plus 1 2n plus 3. Solution, we have 2n plus 1 x pn is equal to 2n plus 1 pn plus 1 plus n plus first recurrence formula, replacing n plus 1 and n minus 1 in n by n plus 1 and n minus 1. This n is replaced by n plus 1, so we have here 2n plus 3 and this equation, and in second time in place of n minus 1 we have 2n minus 1 x pn minus 1 and this x pn. Multiplying above equations first into first means left hand side, so we have 2n minus 1 2n plus 1 x square and this, and here again multiplication n plus 2 first bracket and this is the second bracket. This is the multiplication of first and second bracket. This is the new equation. Again this equation integrating between the minus 1 to 1 by orthogonal property. So this is the coefficient left hand side, integration x square pn plus 1 pn minus 1 this is, and right hand side again this is the coefficient after multiplication n plus 1 integration pn plus 2 dx n plus 1 integration pn whole square. Here n minus 1 n minus 2 integration pn minus 2 pn plus 2 dx. Here n minus 1 n plus 1 integration pn minus 2 pn is equal to 0. So here this is again two factors, here two functions. This is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0. So we have only second term n plus 1 integration minus 1 to 1. Substitute the value of this integration again. The value of this integration is 2 upon 2 n plus 1. This is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. Now integration of this part, so this coefficient here in denominator, so we have here 2 n plus 1 upon this is 2n minus 1 2n plus 1 2n plus 3. This is the equation third, means right hand side, and this is the proof of this example. Now example number 10, minus 1 to 1 x pn plus 1 n minus 1 dx is equal to, this is again example first second and third are similar, so this is the easy. Now this is a new type equation. Example, express the following polynomials in the Legendre polynomial. So fx is equal to x square, and second is fx is equal to x raised to the power 4 x raised to the power 3 x square plus 5 x minus 2 this time. Now solution, we have p0x from Rodrigues formula. p0x is equal to 1, p1 is equal to x, p2 is equal to 1 upon 2 thrice x square minus 1 x square. Now this x square, from this x square is equal to this p2, substitute the value of p2 is in place of x and in place of 1 p0. This is the Legendre polynomial, expansion Legendre polynomial in Legendre polynomial. Now second part again, we have the value of p0x is equal to 1, p1x is equal to x, p2x is equal to 1 upon 2 thrice x square minus 1, p3x is equal to 1 upon 2 5x raised to the power 3 minus thrice x, and p4x is equal to 1 upon 8 35x raised to the power 4 minus 30x square plus 3. From last part find out the value of x raised to the power 4, and from this find the value of x raised to the power 3. From this x square, from this is the value of x and this is the value of 1. Substitute here sequence wise, and we obtained this function fx is equal to this. This is the expansion in Legendre polynomial. And last example 12, this is again easy example, solve yourself. So this time unit is over.